Onboard diagnostic information should be easy to access by machine operators. To support user and maintenance operations, Haulotte booms feature the Haulotte Activ'Screen interface. Equipped with advanced information, configuration, and diagnostic functions. Haulotte Activ'Screen acts as a comprehensive dashboard for your machine, giving you access to all key operation indicators. It helps you better understand machine behavior and gives prompts for the most appropriate action to be taken in any situation, particularly when an alarm is triggered. Thanks to this information, you enjoy greater autonomy, develop productive working methods, and reduce your need for technical assistance, ensuring maximum uptime. With Haulotte Activ'Screen, prevent unauthorized use of your machines. Only individuals with the correct startup code can use the boom. Technicians are provided with a special code to access advanced diagnostics and maintenance functions. Technicians can also customize extensive operating parameters, such as speed of movement and interface language. Simplify maintenance operations with Haulotte Activ'Screen. Thanks to advanced diagnostic functions, Haulotte Activ'Screen identifies the cause of malfunctions and recommends the best action to resolve the issue. You can also see upcoming scheduled maintenance operations and plan accordingly. Download the Haulotte Diag app to access the Haulotte Activ'Screen interface and functions from your mobile device. A Wi-Fi connection increases technician mobility for even more effective configuration and diagnostics. With Haulotte Activ'Screen, tackle the most demanding environment stress-free. Manufactured with high-quality components and featuring a watertight casing designed to withstand extreme temperatures, the equipment is guaranteed to be rugged and long-lasting. With Haulotte Activ'Screen, you enjoy a clear and intuitive interface with more effective information, guidance, and productivity in your daily work.